Good morning, children. How are you? I am fine. How are your parents? Are you all right? Are you okay? Yeah, very good, very good. Already, we have in the previous classes, we have finished history first lesson. In social, there are three divisions that you know: history, geography, and civics. Understand? History first lesson we have finished already. Now, today we are going to see about geography first lesson, that is the universe, the solar system. Understand? The universe, the solar system. Okay. Children, if anybody is asking you about your residence, what is called as residence? Your address. You have to know the what we can say, the new words. உங்கள் அட்ரஸ் சொல்லு, அது வரைக்கும் தான் இது வரைக்கும் நீங்கள் கேள்விப்பட்டிருப்பீங்க. Till now, you know, if anybody asks you, tell me your name, tell me your father's name, tell me your house address. Address only they'll ask. But from this, if anybody asks you, tell me your residence, அப்படின்னு கேட்டாங்கன்னா, you have to say your address. Residence is called as, otherwise it is address. Okay? Okay. If I ask you in 6th standard, whom I call you then? Faisa Samran. Understand? In the previous class I called you Vanmika and Shamili, and now I didn't take class for you, no, so I don't know the names. I can't remember your names then. Faisa Samran I know, some few children, Kavya, like that, only few children I know about you. So if I ask you about your residence, where is your residence? So you have to say, if you are living in Muthamanagar, you can say that the door number 3, which block, 7th block or 5th block you can say. Then street you have to say. Then the area Muthamanagar. Then Muthamanagar is in Kodungayur. Kodungayur is in Chennai. Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is in India. India is in Asia. Asia is in the earth. Can you able to follow, children? Yes, very good. Understand? Shall we see? Okay. So, first is your area. That my area. Then my district. Then my state. My country. Then country is in which continent. Then my planet, that is the earth. My world, and that is the earth. Understand? Then solar system, other thing, my solar system. Then my galaxy and my universe. Okay, so if anybody is asking about your residence, you have to say your door number, street number, the area, understand, the district which you are locating, okay, which you are living. Then you can say in which state you belong to, then in which country you belong to, that your country is in which continent. Our continent is Asia. It is proud to say that we are living in Chennai. Understand? The capital city of Tamil Nadu. Do you know which is the capital of Tamil Nadu, children? Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Which is the capital of India then, our country? Yes, very good. Somebody is saying New Delhi is the capital of India, of our country. Understand? So, Chennai is a capital city. In capital city we are living in. Okay, it's proud of to us then. Then in Tamil Nadu we are living in. Tamil Nadu is in India. That is in South India. It is in India, one of the state. Understand? So India, India is called as a subcontinent. All the diversities. If you go to higher classes, I will teach you more about India. Understand? It is very interesting, and we can very much proud to say that we are all Indians. Understand? Afterwards, in the next classes, if you go to 8th standard, 9th standard and all, you can elaborately, I can teach you. Understand, children? Okay. We'll pass on to the earth. What are the planets of the earth, planets of the universe? Do you know? What are the planets? You just say, what are the planets? Do you know? First planet is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. So, at the time, understand, 9 planets we can say. But now, the planet Pluto is far away from the sun. So, this Pluto is not considered. The geologists, they are not considering this Pluto as a planet. So, now, the geologists, they are saying only 8 planets. Understand? The earth, we are living the planet earth. The earth planet is which place? Yes, very good. The earth planet is in 3rd place in the solar system. Shall we pass on to the, shall we see the lesson then? Okay, listen children, just those who are having the books, you take your books. Take your books, children. Take, children, you all go. Without book, you cannot sit for the online classes. Whoever it may be, you have to, those who are having the books, you have to take your books. Along with the book, you should take one notebook also, the classwork notebook. Understand? Whatever I am writing it on the board, for all the subject I am saying, not only social children, even maths, science, then English, Tamil, for all the subjects, whatever the teachers they are writing on the board, you have to copy it down in your classwork notebook. Then only it will be easy for you to go through it afterwards. Afterwards, you can, you have to revise it, no? So, it will be easy for you. So, the children, those who are sitting for the online class, you have to take your textbook and take page number 160. Can you see? Can you see from camera then? Take page number 160 and this is geography, a part of social. And take one notebook, you copy it down. Shall we go? Okay. Ready, children? So, in which planet we are living in, I said? The earth. Very good. The planet earth, we are living in the solar system. Understand? This is the 3rd planet in our solar system. This is the 3rd planet in the solar system, and solar system is in the galaxy. Understand? Galaxy is a cluster of stars. Cluster in the a number of stars are in the galaxy. There is a Milky Way also. So much of the galaxy together, they are called as universe. Have you understand, children? Can you able to follow? Children, listen carefully. Don't imagine anything then. Okay, you have to concentrate only in the subject. Then only you can understand. Okay, you know, becoming the high school child. Okay, the previous classes till primary, you was in 5th standard last year, but you promoted and you are sitting in for 6th standard. Understand? So listen carefully. So many galaxies, the cluster of stars together, they are called as galaxies, and in galaxy we have the Milky Way. Okay, so much galaxies together, they are called as the universe. Can you able to follow then? Okay, so in this, the earth's address, okay, earth, for earth also we can say the address. Children, you say, for each and everybody we are having our residence, house. So we are having our address. Earth ku or address irukku. Solunga paakalam. Anybody say? Yes, very good. The earth is number 3 because that is the 3rd planet. So you have to write earth. Earth oda address idu. Okay, the address of planet earth. Number 3. Enga irukudhu adu? It is in the solar system. solar system, Milky Way, galaxy, and the universe. Universe is the pin code. Okay, children, is it very interesting now to learn about the address of the earth? This is for us, each and everybody we are having the address. இல்லை எல்லாருக்குமே அட்ரஸ் இருக்குது. ஏழையாக இருந்தால் கூட ஒரு ஹட்டில் ஒரு சின்ன குடிசை வீட்டில் இருந்தால் கூட he is having the address. எஸ், ஓகே. நம்மளோட earth பிளானட்டு கூட இட் இஸ் having the address. என்ன சொல்லலாம்? the earth, number 3, that is the third planet. சன்லேருந்து ஃபஸ்ட் பிளானட் எது? which is the first planet? Mercury. Second planet is Venus and third planet is earth. Okay, so number 3 எதில் இருக்கிறது? it is in the solar system. Okay, solar system. Then solar system is in the Milky Way, it is in the galaxy, and together, all together we are in the universe. Understand? This is the address of the earth. It is very interesting, do you know? Okay, we'll pass on to next. Now, numerous stars and celestial bodies, numerous stars. Numerous stars and celestial numerous stars and celestial bodies they are called as explosion. Together they are called as Big Bang. Big Bang. Big Boss சொல்ற யாரோ? Okay, this is Big Bang. Okay, numerous stars and celestial body, it is explode. Understand? It is called as Big Bang. So the celestial body all together they are called as universe. Understand? It is also referred as cosmos. Say all of you children, cosmos. Cosmos. Say all of you, pronounce it. Universe, it is otherwise referred to cosmos. Yes, very good. Okay, here what are all we can see on the sky? What are all we can see? Yes, somebody, you are saying the sun, moon, number of stars, asteroids, small fire stones, rocks, they are called as asteroids. Okay, in the next chapters we can see, next paragraph we can see that. Okay, so many stars are there on the sky. In the sky we can see, but they are looking very small. Yes or no? Do you know? The stars are bigger than the earth. Can you able to follow then? Earth விட star எல்லாம் என்னமா? They are big, but it is far away from the earth. That is why we can see the stars in little. Can you able to follow? If I told you to draw the planet earth, அப்படின்னு சொன்னா earth planet எப்படி draw பண்ணுவீங்க? Like that you can draw the planet earth. This is earth. Okay, if I told you to, if I say you to draw the stars draw பண்ணு அப்படின்னு சொன்னா இதே மாதிரி பெரிய ஸ்டார் போடுவீங்களா? You can draw like that only. La smaller you can draw. But this one star, many stars are there in the sky. The one star is bigger than the earth. Okay, yeah, can you able to follow? ஒரு ஸ்டார் earth விட எப்படி இருக்கும்? Such a big one. But we can see it is very small. It's looking very small. Why? Because it is far away from the earth. Understand? So we can see the star. We can say the size of the star. We can say the stars are small in size. Like that we can say. But the stars are bigger than the earth. Can you able to follow children? Okay. Then next, one by one we can see. Now, first one, the universe. This universe, it is having the expanse of vast area. Together all the galaxies, the Milky Way, the solar system, the number of stars, moon, earth, sun, everything, the planets together, they are called as universe. Though expand na enna perusu, such a big one, large area, the universe. Understand, totally it is called as universe. Here this I told you about the Big Bang. They are together called as Big Bang. This Big Bang, it what we can say, explosion 15 billions ago. 15 billion ago, years ago. Understand? And in the universe we can see the galaxies. What are all we can see in the universe? The galaxies, stars, planets, comets, then asteroids, meteoroids, and natural satellites. So these are all we can see in the universe. What are all we can see in the universe? The galaxies, stars, planets. Here children listen, you have to pronounce it stylishly. Universe, galaxy. You should not say like that. Universe, galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and natural satellites. Like that you have to pronounce. Children, you have bigger than the small children. If you are studying in the first standard or second standard, you can pronounce it. Trees, like that you can say. But now in sixth standard, you have to say trees, stars, okay, earth, the planet, the universe, like that stylish you have to say. So whatever the thing you are conversing with others, you have to talk in English, and also it should be style. Then only our பயங்கரமா English பேசுவா, நல்ல ஸ்டைலா பேசுவா, like that they will say you. Understand children? Okay. So these are all we can see in the galaxies. These are collectively together, they are called as celestial bodies. Say all of you, celestial bodies. They are together, they are called as celestial bodies. Understand? And here how can we measure this celestial bodies? Because we are having the light year. Light year is the unit to measure the celestial bodies. A light year is the unit to measure the celestial bodies. So these are all about the universe. Can you able to follow children? Okay. Then we'll pass on to one by one. Now the galaxy. In the galaxy we can see the cluster of stars. Clusters means much, more stars. Many stars we can together, they are called as galaxy. The cluster of stars we can see in the galaxy. Because why the stars are in the sky, I told you many stars are there, but there is only one sun, there is only one moon we can see at night, the sun in the morning, but both of them they are on the sky only. Understand? We can see the stars also at night only. Many stars are there.